The next conditional statement we'll look at is the AND statement. This is effectively a statement that returns true when all of the conditions are satisfied within the statement. So let's create a new parameter called check all sizes exceeded. Type of parameter again would be a yes/no parameter, and I will group this under the data grouping. So I want this to return true only when both the maximum depth and the maximum width are exceeded. To do that, I simply type AND, open brackets, check max depth exceeded, comma, check max width exceeded, and close brackets. Therefore, this will only return true when both the width and the depth exceed the maximum. Currently, only the width exceeds the maximum width. Therefore, the all sizes exceeds is unticked. But if I change the depth to be greater than the maximum depth, then I now get the all sizes exceeded parameter ticked yes. So that is how to create an AND statement, and followed by the statements or conditions in the brackets that will all need to be fulfilled before the AND statement returns true.